Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, this is the evaluation. We start from little steps. Yes. Okay, please, Miss, explain.
For little step this week, we just the last page, right? Because this last page for this week about little step about unit 9, what do plants need to grow? Okay. On Monday, uh, there is a key vocabulary and key language. Key vocabulary about plants, sun, soil, water, seeds, shovel, hold, watering cans, part of flower, petals, leaves, stems, roots, first, next, then, and finally. That one is about key vocabulary. How about key language? Key language is about what is step to pen a sheet, which part are missing, petals is missing, and what is your favorite fruit. That one is only about key language and key vocabulary. Okay, for this week we just ask students to open their book by little step. What do plants need to grow? Just open the book, right? And then teachers ask about the some question for this week about checkpoint question.
Is it on Monday or Tuesday?
On Monday.
Monday.
On Monday. What do plants need to grow? Plant needs sun, soil, water, and earth to grow. And then, what are your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit are apple and banana. That one only on Monday.
On Monday.
Checkpoint question.
But you review the CP questions before, right?
Yes.
Can you mention?
Okay, there are some point question start from 25 until 28 April. We ask students about what do plants need to grow. Plants need sun, soil, water, air, and water to grow. Then how many daffodils are there in the story? There are 10 daffodils in the story. And then why do plants need water? Plants so they don't dry up and can get from the soils. And then can you mention the thing to plant a sheet? Yes, I can. They are seed, soil, and water. Only that one. That one only for 25 until 28 April. How about 28 until 2nd May? That one is about what are the steps to plant a sheet? First, dig the hole. Next, put the seed into the soil, and finally cover the soil with the soil. Seed with the soil. That one. And then which part is tall? Picture A or picture B? Picture A is tall, then B, and then
What is in the picture?
the one is only the tree. The tree, right? There are two trees.
There are
B or
there are two
A
trees.
and B. Yes, two trees. Sorry, two trees. A and B. You just ask about that one. Which part is tall?
Which
A
part?
or B? Which tree? Which picture? Tree A or B? They ask about the earth. Teachers ask about that one. Picture A is tall than B.
Taller.
Is taller than B, but only that one is but checkpoint question.
Are you sure?
No, and then the next question for on 5 until 9 May, right? Is about what are your favorite?
There are 4 questions actually.
There are 4, right? After the
From 28 until 2nd.
Which part? Which part is missing? There are petal, leaves, root, and stem leaves are missing, and then the last about which part are missing. Which part is missing? What do you call what is colorful or part of flower you call? It's called petals. And then the last is about 5th until 9. So the first is, what are your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit are apple and banana. And then where do apples grow? Where do apples grow? Apples grow on a tree. And how many apples are there on the picture? There are 50 apples in the picture. And the last, what do plants need to grow? Plants need sun, soil, water, and air to grow. That one is point question from the previous.
Okay, for Tuesday.
For Tuesday, same like key vocabulary and key language, but different is about checkpoint question.
So what are the key vocabularies, Miss?
Key vocabulary same like on Monday. like plant, sun, soil, water, air, seed, soil, part of flower, petals, leaves, stems, first, next, then, and finally. Vocabulary same like on Monday. The language same like on Monday too. But what step to the sheet? Which part is missing? The petal is missing. What are your favorite food? That one on this day, right? Okay. It's different. It's about checkpoint question. Checkpoint question. What is your favorite plants or flower? My favorite
Flower or flower?
Flower. My favorite flower is sunflower. That one. And then, can you mention a name that vegetable has as orange? The vegetable that has orange is carrot. That one only for checkpoint question on Tuesday, Miss.
Rainbow?
Rainbow
Rainbow
math.
math and science. Math
Rainbow
first.
math and science. On this day, Rainbow math, we just ask students to count start from 1 until 20. Okay, but for this week, we just focus only number 20. Okay, teachers explain about how to count fruit start from 1 until 20, and then teachers ask, take some color pencil, and then ask about checkpoint question, how many color pencil on your hand, on my hand? So to them, write color pencil, and then count one by one. Okay, there are 20 color pencil on my hands, one, and then teacher write number 20 and number 0, and then teacher asks about this one. What numbers come from 20 and 0? Number 20 comes from 20 and 0. One, only for rainbow math. Rainbow science. Rainbow science for this week, we just focus about plants, like fruit that has one seed or so many seeds. For example, like papaya, like rambutan, papaya, watermelon, and the others. Okay. And then about the growing of plants, but we just focus about fruit, right? And then teachers ask about some question about rough and smooth. Okay, teachers ask like this: is a banana rough or smooth skin? Banana is a smooth skin. That one. And then, can you mention the green vegetables? Yes, I can. They are spinach and cucumber. Okay. About the previous checkpoint question, right? We asked about 12 until 16 May. What fruit that has smooth and rough skin? Apple has smooth skin, and durian has rough skin. Okay. Can you mention some of vegetable? Yes, I can. There are broccoli, carrot, long green bean, and cucumber. That one, Miss. For rainbow science, there is no special activity.
There's no special activity, yeah. Okay, for the Sanskrit.
For Sanskrit, we study about Unit 7, up, ak, and up. Sap, tap, rap, kap, ak, bak, mak, rak, hak, and the last, pap, up, kap.
Pap,
up, kap.
cup.
Yeah. Yes, Miss.
What unit is that?
Unit 7.
Unit 7. Is it same for Tuesday and Wednesday?
Same, Miss.
The same sound?
Yes.
So what makes them different?
The different only for dictation.
Dictation. So when will you do the dictation?
On Monday, we ask students to dictation about the word like bak, mak, pap, kap. On Tuesday, we just ask students about sap, tap, hak, up.
Wednesday?
There is no Wednesday, there is no dictation, Miss.
So only
on Monday and on Tuesday about Sanskrit. Only
Sanskrit.
Different for dictation.
Dictation. ASP, Miss?
ASP Matematika.
ASP, ya.
Hari Jumat. ASP Matematika mengenai alam semesta. Jadi di sini guru menjelaskan mengenai alam semesta yang berkaitan dengan benda-benda langit seperti bulan, matahari, bintang, awan. Kemudian guru menghitung gambar bulan dan bintang. Kemudian guru menjelaskan urutan pola pada benda-benda langit. Oke. Guru bertanya beberapa checkpoint question yang berkaitan dengan benda-benda langit. Guru menggambar bulan dan bintang, kemudian guru bertanya kepada siswa, berapa banyak jumlah bulan dan bintang yang ada di papan tulis? Guru membuat 9 gambar, kemudian Murid menjawab, ada 9 gambar bulan dan bintang yang ada di papan tulis. Kemudian guru menanyakan kepada siswa, guru membuat pola, kemudian guru bertanya tentang pola urutan gambar berikutnya. Gambar berikutnya, pola apa yang terdapat pada matahari, bulan, matahari, bulan. Berikutnya gambar apa? Gambar matahari. Gambar berikutnya adalah matahari. Untuk ASP Matematika.
Kemudian
Mengenai alam semesta, mengenai benda-benda langit. ASP Sains juga mengenai alam semesta. Mengenai alam semesta yang berhubungan dengan benda-benda langit seperti matahari, bulan, bintang, serta awan, tetapi mengenai kondisi hujan maupun cerah. Yang kemudian, yang kedua, guru menjelaskan benda-benda penerang yang di malam hari maupun di siang hari. Guru bertanya beberapa checkpoint question. Yang pertama, bagaimana keadaan cerah? Awan berwarna putih, matahari bersinar terang dan terasa panas. Ke checkpoint kedua itu guru bertanya, benda langit apa yang ada di siang hari dan malam hari? Benda yang ada di siang hari itu matahari, benda penerang di malam hari itu ada bulan dan bintang untuk ASP Sains.
Oke, untuk ASP Bahasa?
ASP Bahasa tetap juga menjelaskan tentang benda-benda langit yang ada yang benda-benda langit mengenai bulan, matahari, bintang, serta awan. Tetapi di sini guru juga fokus kepada mengeja kata yang berkaitan dengan gambar. Dan guru bertanya beberapa checkpoint question. Yang pertama itu, apakah benda-benda langit yang kamu ketahui? Benda-benda langit seperti bulan, bintang, dan matahari. Yang kemudian coba kamu eja kata hujan. Bagaimana cara mengeja kata hujan? Hauhu jaajan, hujan. Itu untuk ASP Bahasa Indonesia. ASP Bahasa Indonesia juga bertanya beberapa checkpoint question yang pada tanggal 12 sampai 16 Mei. Yaitu yang mengenai bagaimana cara menjaga kebersihan di lingkungan dengan cara membuang sampah pada tempatnya. Apa yang kita rayakan pada tanggal 17 Agustus, Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Itu saja.
Di hari Jumat. Dan practical life. How to use clothes packs.
Okay, this is the project, yeah?
Yeah, for this only practical life.
Only practical life. How to make it?
Teachers has provided packs, right? Only there are 7 or 10, and then some bowl, because we cannot use the real one, right? The clothes, right? We just make a bowl, and then
you make a
bowls, right? And then make one by one. We just ask them to train how to use that one. But if we use clothes cannot, right? So messy later. We just use the bowl and then put one by one how to put like this.
So what will you prepare?
Packs and bowl.
Packs and bowl.
What's
the function?
But for budgeting the project, we just write packs, that one.
All right. So what is the function of this kind of activity?
We just want to ask them to train how to use clothes pack. That one. They can do in the real situation at their home. Their mommy they can help their mommy to use the clothes pack in their house.
Okay. Okay, Miss. This one, please explain, yes? Okay, please.
Okay, today we study about plants, about fruit. There are 2 types here. We just focus for spot skin and rough skin. You know what is I want to ask you to mention first, but some of fruit that you know. Please mention like watermelon, orange, mango, apples, bananas, pear, right? And then the other, this what is this? Pineapple, strawberries, rambutan, durian, and kiwi. But for today, we just focus about their skin. This right? You can imagine right in front of you there are some fruit. We just focus about smooth and rough. You know what's the definition of smooth and rough? Smooth, if you touch this one, if you touch this fruit, is soft. Okay, smooth like this. There is no tester that cannot that you can feel smoothness, the skin of this fruit. And then this rough, okay, rough is the bumpy. That one is like this. If you touch, you can feel bumpy or the others, right? Like durian. If you touch durian, okay, you feel the skin is soft. It's dangerous, right? This right, you can touch directly. You can feel this is rough strawberry and rambutan and kiwi. So we just focus for their skin, smooth and rough. Okay, for watermelon, do you think watermelon is a smooth skin? Okay, if you touch this, smooth skin or rough skin? Okay, if you touch this right, you can feel smooth. Okay, because there is no bumpy this here. But if you touch this like durian, okay, actually you can feel this durian. This has rough skin because this skin is is sharp. This. Okay, that's why we can say this is rough skin like rambutan. There is this texture is bumpy. This. Okay. I think that's all about smooth and
This?
okay. Okay, this is about vegetables. You know what is vegetable? Vegetable is like us, right? Okay, we need vegetable every day. Okay, if you want to make your body become healthy, you must eat vegetables. Okay, like this. There are green vegetables and then some the color like this, like orange, like red, brown, and the other. Okay. For this, what is the color of these vegetables? Green. Please mention this. Broccoli, spinach, long bean, cucumber, cabbage, cauliflower. Okay, for this with different color, right? What is the color of carrot? Orange. Potato? Brown. And the last? Chilies? Red and green. Okay, so we need eat healthy food like vegetables, food to make your body become healthy. Okay.
Okay, my question is, can you mention some fruits in the book?
Okay, the one rough and smooth skin. Smooth skin like watermelon, banana, apple, strawberry. Watermelon, banana, apple, and then
Only that?
what miss?
The smooth skin, only that?
Banana, apple, watermelon. I remember that one.
You only remember that? The rough skin?
Strawberry, durian, pineapple, kiwi, rambutan,
Okay, for vegetables?
like cauliflower, broccoli, long bean, spinach, carrot, potato, chilies.
Okay. All right, I think that's all for the evaluation today, Miss. Yeah, okay. The result is before you explain or before you show this picture, right? For example, like this one, the fruits. At first, you need to explain is, of course, what are plants? What plants are? Yeah, what plants are, and then you go to the fruits.
Mention right
You
there.
explain first what fruits are, and then the vegetables too. You explain what vegetables are, and then you go to the examples or the kinds of fruits with smooth skin
Just now I
or
asked like that.
with rough skin.
I mentioned this.
No, I mean you explain first. For example, what is the meaning of fruit like that? What is the meaning
yeah,
of
yes,
plants? What is the meaning of vegetables?
So from
After
this
that,
one, right?
you may go to the example. That's what I mean. Okay. All right. So for the rest should be okay. For the CP questions, you remember all the CP question. You could explain them too. And for the examples of vegetables also, you could explain. You could mention. The fruits only for the smooth skin, yeah, you forgot some. The rest should be okay. I think you pass with good result, Miss. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Miss.